Hello everyone, welcome to our video today. I'm going to introduce the newest products on my right hand. This is automatically the meat cutter slicer machines. Let me give you the overall dimensions first. So as we can see, the unit is pretty big and they come with the tray at the front. So this unit, the dimensions of the width, it is about like a 16 inches wide and includes handle trays. The total length is about like a 55 and 1/4 inches long. And the overall height for the unit's body is about like a 47 inches tall. And this scrolling handlebars, they are about like a 3.5 inches tall. So we can see the front of the unit, they come in with all the manual bars informations with the digital controls and the numbers, digits. You can touch here to adjust the thickness for the cutters. And they give you the manufacturer's the functions, front, back, and the slidings, and power on and stop, and this emergency stop too. And these are wire connections for all the machine running inside. And we do having a sliding bars at the front. This holding bar is about like a 16.5 inches wide, and the depth is about like a 11.5 inches deep. And we can see that at the front, they have a covers. They notify you be careful of your hand. And the cutters is directly inner side. And we can take closer to see the behind of the units. And when we look in the behind, we can see they have a tray space. There's a rolling space. You can put the meat right here, and the machine can push it going to the inside. And for these holders, the lengths, they are about like a 10 and 1/4 inches wide. And the heights, they are about like a 4.5 inches tall. And the manufacturer, they offer to replace the blade for these parts. They're using the cover for security. And they do having these high pressures for the oil fillings. And you can push it and you can remove this high top to fill all the oils inside. And also the units, we can see the manufacturers, they prepared the mutton plugs right here. They have marks on it. They have a 125 volts and using the 15 amps and the standard plugs. And look in the bottoms, they have a small space. This for you to maintain the inner side of the motors. So this will be the all demonstration information about the products. If you do have more questions, feel free to contact with us.